The tawny frogmouth is a species native to the Australian mainland and Tasmania, and found throughout. It is a big-headed, stocky bird, often mistaken for an owl, due to its nocturnal habits and similar colouring. Anhinga species are found all over the world in warm shallow waters. Anhinga, snake bird, darter, are common names to describe them. The main feature is that they dive to catch fishes, stabbing them with the beak, to later swallow them. The Little Pied Cormorant is one of the most common of Australia's water birds, occurring on water bodies of almost any size. The Little Pied Cormorant resembles the pied cormorant, but is easily distinguished by its smaller size and proportionately shorter bill. As its name suggests, the great cormorant is the largest species of cormorant in Australia. Its plumage is mostly black with a slight greenish sheen, visible only in good light. Might be confused with the great cormorant, but is noticeably smaller, 2/3 of its size, completely black and has a thinner bill. Large black and white cormorant with a long ivory-colored bill. Note black trousers that help distinguish it from Little Pied Cormorant, which also has a shorter yellow bill. It is among the biggest pelicans. They have a very large wingspan, around 3 meters, and the hugest pouched bills, that can hold more than 10 liters of water in its 50 centimeters length. They do not dive like others, simply float and catch. Large dark grey heron with white head and neck. Typically has dark legs. Usually found near water. Often seen singly, but also occurs in large scattered groups while foraging in damp paddocks and grassland. There are big egrets all over the world, in all continents. This is Australia's subspecies. An elegant water bird wading the banks of wetlands, remaining motionless, spotting the prey till it pounces. Usually very shy. Another cosmopolitan egret, normally feeding on invertebrates that are visible when cattle feed on paddocks. Here in a heronry with breeding plumage. Very common throughout Australasia, whether looking for prey among the grasses, or on banks of wetlands, or on seashore. Another cosmopolitan egret, easily recognized for its yellow feet, small size and the gracious way of jumping in all directions following the prey, till she gets it.